Meghalaya Post.news.
Kanong po town shopping complex kabrigaway na kayo kibalasak din na kisnem malayno nakadaw kajing bamsimkya jong kibriw basyem ya kidukan hene kasi kate kayo kalapu kansan da kajing clear ti ya kidukan beper bat kajing wanrung wan mi kibriw bansaki ya kajing sedang jong kayo balatip kum kanong po shopping carnival ya kate kayo balatip kum kanong po shopping carnival lawan banpli daw deputy commissioner kirboy wa ablay barnwal hakajing ya sakilang kakong birani edc kirboy o Eric Kevin video komling sian dari blog lembar kuy ke besar nakatnat urban ketika yo lani kanong po shopping carnival kabalio sedang mentakasi la pelong ka da kanong po town shopping complex ha kaji snok tilang ka GNC store bat kene kayo kan ne sausngi ya ka ban sapungkut pat ha ka khandu terik unailar nakaliang deputy commissioner kirboy ulai thu bakadau bala pelong ban sim ya kene senjam kan long ban penpu penping ya kene ke shopping complex bat ban ai sim ya ki basyong dukan hapo kene ke building bakin pliman kasi bat hakajo kapor kajing temu jong kene ke shopping carnival kadiban kring ru ya kipai ba bakin onrung chapok kene ke kompleks.
Come to this shopping carnival, please take advantage of this. And this shopping carnival is something which we intend to hold recurrently. It will not just be one-off affair. The idea is to revitalize this entire shopping complex. It should not merely remain a pipe dream that when it came to Nongpo, everyone thought that we are going to have a shopping complex sort of thing, shopping mall sort of thing, but then unfortunately for whatever reasons, those dreams have not been realized yet. But thanks to the efforts being made by my very capable ADC, Kongrani, that we are seeing this today when this shopping carnival will officially kind of mark the culmination of one episode of all the efforts. But this was only one episode. All efforts will continue until the dreams with which this Muda complex was constructed will be realized. As a deputy commissioner, it's very easy for me to just give ideas, but then ultimate execution is the real deal, and that has been done by Kongrani. So many congratulations to her, and not to forget my officers from Urban Affairs, Sanjay, and especially Shoy. He has been working relentlessly, having dual roles, wherein he is also performing some duties over here at shopping complex, simultaneously at Nongpo Town Committee also. So it's his relentless efforts also which has helped us in transpiring this day. So congratulations, and this is not just a day although the invitation card went from our office, but this is dedicated to entire Nongpo, all the shopkeepers, and especially to all the shoppers. Thank you. Kublai Shibun.
Meghalaya Post.news.